So you've decided to wade into the wild world of cryptocurrency. It's an exciting and sometimes overwhelming space, filled with endless possibilities and potential pitfalls. You're ready to buy Bitcoin, trade Ethereum, and maybe even dabble in some Dogecoin. But where do you start? The first step is choosing the right platform to make your trades. This decision can make or break your crypto journey. But there's one big hurdle: choosing the right exchange. With so many options out there, it can feel like navigating a maze. It's like trying to pick a favorite child. If your children were volatile digital assets, each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses. Two names consistently top the charts: Binance and Coinbase. Both are giants in the crypto world, but they offer very different experiences. But which one is right for you? Let's dive in and explore the features, fees, and user experiences of both platforms to help you make an informed decision. Binance and Coinbase are the titans of the crypto exchange arena. Founded in 2017, Binance quickly gained a reputation for its vast selection of cryptocurrencies and low fees. Coinbase, established in 2012, earned its stripes as a user-friendly platform, particularly appealing to crypto newbies. Both platforms offer a gateway to the exciting but often confusing world of digital assets. Choosing the right exchange can feel like navigating a minefield. This essay is your trusty metal detector. We'll dissect the key features of Binance and Coinbase, helping you make an informed decision. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious newcomer, we'll guide you towards the platform that best suits your investment style and risk tolerance. Trading fees can eat into your profits like termites in a log cabin. These seemingly small charges can accumulate over time, significantly impacting your overall returns. It's crucial to understand how different platforms handle these fees. Binance consistently boasts some of the lowest fees in the industry, with a tiered structure based on trading volume. This means the more you trade, the less you pay in fees, making it an attractive option for frequent traders. Coinbase, however, employs a more complex fee system, with higher fees for smaller transactions. This can be a disadvantage for those who make frequent, smaller trades, as the costs can quickly add up. For high-volume traders, Binance might be the more cost-effective choice. The platform's lower fees can lead to substantial savings over time, especially for those who trade large volumes regularly. But for casual investors making smaller purchases, Coinbase's simplicity might be worth the extra pennies. Its user-friendly interface and straightforward process can make it easier for beginners to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading. Binance is like the cheesecake factory of crypto exchanges, an overwhelming but impressive menu. With its extensive list, it caters to both seasoned traders and newcomers alike, offering a plethora of options to explore. It boasts hundreds of cryptocurrencies, from household names like Bitcoin and Ethereum to obscure altcoins that you might not find elsewhere. This vast selection makes it a go-to platform for those looking to experiment with different digital assets. Coinbase, while offering a more curated selection, still provides access to the most popular cryptocurrencies. It focuses on quality over quantity, ensuring that users have access to the most reliable and widely recognized coins in the market. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with exotic digital assets, Binance is the clear winner. Its extensive range allows you to delve into niche markets and discover hidden gems that could potentially yield high returns. If you prefer sticking to the tried and true, Coinbase's streamlined offerings might be a better fit. Its user-friendly interface and focus on major cryptocurrencies make it an excellent choice for those who value simplicity and reliability in their trading experience. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Binance and Coinbase both employ industry-standard security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for a significant portion of their digital assets. However, Binance has faced some security breaches in the past, while Coinbase has maintained a relatively clean track record. Both platforms offer insurance coverage, but the specifics and limitations vary. Coinbase is known for its intuitive interface, making it ideal for beginners. Its clean design and straightforward navigation make buying and selling crypto a breeze. Binance, with its plethora of features and advanced trading options, can feel overwhelming for newcomers. However, experienced traders might appreciate its robust charting tools and order types. Section 8. Mobile Mayhem, Apps on the Go. Both Binance and Coinbase offer mobile apps for iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your crypto portfolio on the move. Binance's app, while feature-rich, can feel cluttered and overwhelming. Coinbase's app, on the other hand, prioritizes simplicity and ease of use. Both apps offer essential features like buying, selling, and tracking your portfolio. Section 9. SOS. Customer support in the cryptosphere. Customer support can be a lifesaver in the often confusing world of cryptocurrency. Coinbase offers phone and email support, while Binance relies primarily on online chat and a comprehensive FAQ section. Response times and the effectiveness of support can vary depending on the platform and the complexity of your issue. Section 10. Playing by the rules, regulations, and compliance. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Both Binance and Coinbase have made efforts to comply with regulations in the jurisdictions where they operate. However, Binance has faced scrutiny from regulators in some countries. Coinbase, being a publicly traded company, tends to have a more proactive approach to regulatory compliance. Independent security audits provide an additional layer of assurance for users. Both Binance and Coinbase have undergone security audits by reputable firms. However, the scope and frequency of these audits can vary. It's always a good idea to research the latest security audits conducted on your chosen exchange. Section 12. A blast from the past. Reputation and history. Binance has faced its share of controversies, including a major hack in 2019. However, it has taken steps to improve its security measures and rebuild trust with its users. Coinbase, with its longer track record and publicly traded status, generally enjoys a more favorable reputation. Section 13. Weighing the scales, pros and cons. Binance pros, low trading fees, vast selection of cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading features. Binance cons, complex fee structure, overwhelming interface for beginners, and past security breaches. Coinbase pros, user-friendly interface, strong security track record, and publicly traded company. Coinbase cons, higher fees for smaller transactions, limited cryptocurrency selection, and basic trading features. Section 14. The verdict, your perfect crypto match. So, which exchange reigns supreme? It depends on your individual needs and priorities. For experienced traders seeking low fees and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, Binance is a solid choice. For beginners or those prioritizing ease of use and a strong security track record, Coinbase is the way to go. Gap 3S. Section 15. The future of crypto exchanges. As we look ahead, the landscape of cryptocurrency exchanges is poised for exciting transformations. Emerging technologies like blockchain interoperability and decentralized finance, DeFi, are set to revolutionize how we trade and manage digital assets. Imagine a world where exchanges are more interconnected, allowing seamless transfers across different platforms and even between different blockchains. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will likely play a significant role in enhancing user experience, offering personalized trading strategies and advanced security measures. We can also anticipate improved regulatory frameworks that will provide better protection for investors while fostering innovation. Moreover, the rise of decentralized exchanges, DEX, might shift the market dynamics, giving users more control over their assets without relying on centralized entities. With these advancements, the future of crypto trading looks more inclusive, secure, and efficient than ever before. Stay tuned and keep an eye on these trends, as they will shape the way we interact with the crypto world in the years to come. Section 15. Share your saga, your crypto exchange adventures. Have you used Binance or Coinbase? Share your experiences, tips, and cautionary tales in the comments below. Your insights might help fellow crypto enthusiasts navigate this exciting but often confusing landscape.